Hey, welcome to CNY Weathertainment. I'm Jeff Matthews. It's Friday, TGIF Friday. You know what that is. You can follow me on the Twitter with CNY Jeff Matthews, and we give you 3 weather headlines to look forward to. Cool is the rule. Yeah, for a while. I'll explain how long, how cool, and why in just a moment. Rainy weekend ahead, confirming that. Been in the forecast now for a few days, so just confirming you'll need to make alternate indoor plans because it looks like we're in for some soaking rains and we really need them. And 12 days until calendar autumn. It is closing in, like it or not. Having said that, look at the temp trend. Tells you a lot of the story. Average high is up to 71, 78 today, but look at that dip. That's a dip right there, if you know what I'm talking about. It's a meteorological term. 70, 66, and 70. That's not because of any cold air rushing in from the northwest. It's because of heavy cloud cover and periods of rain suppressing those temperatures, which will rebound as soon as the sun comes back out, and it'll be back out in full force all day, every day, beyond Monday. Meanwhile, this storm has plagued us with clouds the last 24 hours and some sprinkles, but that's not the storm that's arriving for the weekend. That's just riding up along the frontal boundary, which has stalled along the eastern seaboard. However, this storm is going to wind up moving to the south and east, linking up with the front and moving in a similar position to the other one for Saturday night, Sunday. So that's a rainy period right there. Meanwhile, this cloud cover, the heavy stuff, you can see the white, blue, and very dark blue growing with that storm as it intensifies, moving into New England, but it's becoming a thing of the past for us as it will be departing by early Friday morning and leaving us with a mix of sun and clouds or a partly sunny sky. That's the window right there of dry weather for Friday. Right there on my fingers pointing to the dark right there. You see that? And you can also see it on the water vapor imagery as well. See that dark spot? That's Friday's weather. This is Saturday, but it's not just this. It's this linking up with the frontal boundary and pouring rain upon us for Saturday, probably afternoon, and Sunday as well. So the front has eased off to our south and east, but the clouds are not far off. And so we'll be in for that dry slot today of a mix of sun and clouds, but the clouds are going to increase as that storm develops to the south and links up with the front and draws the rain northwards. So it'll hit Otsego County first Saturday late morning, and then for Oneida and Herkimer counties by Saturday afternoon. And it'll probably rain pretty good as that system moves through for Saturday night and Sunday. But it does look like the rain will be over by Monday morning. It'll just take some time for the clouds to clear. So as you can see on the almanac, a cool day for Thursday, 71, 62. A trace happened several times on Thursday, just some sprinkles. And I'll have your complete forecast in just a moment.
Hey, Coach, we need you in the team now.
Yeah, give me a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Hey, Coach, what play are we going to run off the face-off this time?
Hey, I'll tell you in a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Your TGIF Friday forecast, partly sunny at least. So that's the least you can expect is partly sunny. Could go mostly sunny at times with that little window of dry air and a high of 78 degrees. For your Friday night, partly, then mostly cloudy. The clouds begin to increase as the storm to the south links up with the front and draws northwards. A low around double nickels of 55. Now Saturday looks like a pretty gray day. So does Sunday, and most of Monday for that matter. The rain will be approaching Otsego County from the south by late morning, and for the rest of us in the afternoon, it'll rain on and off throughout the afternoon, the evening, overnight, and on into Sunday. So you should expect the weekend to be a relative washout from Saturday through Sunday with clouds lingering into Monday. Heavy clouds there too. But then look at that. Just as inclement as it is here, totally clement there. I don't even know if that's a weather word, clement. But it's the opposite of inclement, I think. Dandy, like cotton candy. So you have that to look forward to for next week. That's your forecast. Have a great day.